This is the proof of payment video, and I just want to log into my Etsy into my Mercari account to show you guys some proof payments. So I'm gonna go over here to my back office. As you can see, that's my logo right there, Trendsetter. So let me show you guys some payment proof. So I'm going to finances, payment account. As you can see, I got $14 available for deposit, and that's for the month of November. It's just been running on autopilot so far, so I'm gonna show you guys some monthly statements. As you can see, for the month of November 2021, 1717, there's money being made on its own, and 317 was taken out in taxes and payment for listings and things like that. So, but I netted $14 so far. That's just for the month of November. But let me go back 1 month, and this is Etsy. I'm gonna go back to October, and as you can see, excuse me, in the month of October 2021, sales and credits $317.65. Fees were only $5.85. So as you can see, you can scale this business up really, really well if you want to, and really get into it. And basically on here, I'm selling about maybe 10 products. That's all. I mean, nothing really major. And I could do a whole lot more if I want to, but I just want to show you guys the payment proofs. And this is Etsy. That's Trendsetter's my logo. I'm going to slide over here to Mercari. As you can see, that's my logo on Mercari. And I'm going to show you some payment proofs over here. Go to my seller dashboard. And as you can see, 309.72 account balance. I can cash that out right now if I want to. In progress, 52.53. And these numbers are really not correct. That's talking 426 revenue, profit 367.76. It's a little bit higher than that because I've cashed out a little bit of this money a couple months ago. And this is a new account. As you can see, my logo up there, Trendsetters, and the last account I had, I need to show you guys some payment proofs on that too. That was up to 3,000 or something in a couple months. But as you can see, this is like about 1 month of selling, without really just getting back with a new site, new website, and listing my products. So 309.72 in revenue. But the payment proofs are in, and this is legit. You see right there, 67 listings in here, and I still have 2 orders in progress right now. So back over here on Etsy, like I say, for the month of October, 365. Didn't do too much on Etsy because I was mostly getting back on Mercari. And like I say, this is just make passive income every month. So November, October, let's go back to September. As you can see, $34 there. The same thing that you saw in the first beginning of the ebook on the website posting. So as you can see, you can make a lot of money doing this. Passive income, just money just being made. And you just do a little bit of the work. But I'm also show you guys how to get more traffic to your offers and your listings and make more money like that. My stats and listings and things like that, I don't want to go into it on this video because those are products that I do sell, and I don't want everyone to start selling what I'm selling. But I'm going to show you guys how to find a product, put it up for sale, and start making money for it and marketing it. And you'll see results. Hopefully, if you do what I do, just watch this video anytime. As you can see the payments right here. That's from Etsy and Mercari. So we're going to go ahead and get to the other videos, but I did want to show you guys the payment proofs, and we're finna go into the next video and get started.